Let's have a real talk. The American dream of owning a home is becoming a nightmare. You work hard, you save every penny, but every time you're close, the prices jump another $50,000. It feels like the game is rigged against you, doesn't it? But what if I told you that while the physical world is getting too expensive to enter, a new world is opening up? A world where you can own digital land for almost $0, and it pays you more than a physical rental property ever could. In 2026, wealth isn't just about bricks and mortar anymore. It's about digital assets. I'm talking about simple websites, AI-powered tools, and automated channels that act exactly like a house you rent out. They bring in monthly cash, they grow in value, and the best part, you don't need a bank loan or $1 million to start. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to claim your piece of the digital world. I'm breaking down 4 types of digital real estate that are making ordinary people digital landlords. If you feel left behind by the current economy, this video is your ticket out. Let's get started. The first type of digital land is what I call ghost real estate. In the physical world, you buy a plot of land and build a shop. In the digital world, your plot of land is a niche authority site. But wait, don't turn off the video thinking, I don't know how to write or build websites. That was the old way. In 2026, AI is your architect, your builder, and your manager. Imagine picking a boring but high-paying niche, like solar panel installation for homeowners or best organic gardening tools. These are topics people in the US spend billions on. Instead of writing 100 articles yourself, you use an AI content system. You give it the topic, and it researches the latest trends, writes professional-grade articles, and even optimizes them so they show up on the first page of Google. Think of every article as a room in your digital house. The more rooms you have, the more people visit. And when they visit, they click on ads or buy products you recommend. You get a commission every single time. It's like having a tenant that pays you rent every day, but you never have to fix a broken pipe or deal with a noisy neighbor. Once it's built, it just stands there collecting money for years. Method number 2 is even more powerful. It's the recurring digital asset. Have you ever noticed how many small tools you use every day? A PDF converter, a background remover for photos, or a simple calculator? These are called Micro-SaaS, tiny pieces of software that solve one specific problem. In the past, you needed to be a computer genius to build these. Now, you just need to be a good prompt engineer. You can go to an AI coder and say, build me a simple web tool that helps people calculate their carbon footprint, or create a tool that generates 10 viral captions for any photo. The AI writes the code, tells you where to host it, and boom, you own a functional tool. Why is this like real estate? Because you can charge a tiny subscription fee, even just $5 a month. If 1,000 people find your tool useful, and in a world of 8 billion people, that's easy, you are making $5,000 every single month. It is a piece of property that never gets old, never needs painting, and stays open 24/7. Method 3 is my favorite because it's the most fun. I call these revenue ships. These are automated, faceless YouTube channels that sail the internet and bring back gold every month. You've seen them, channels about luxury living, space documentaries, or daily motivation. In 2026, you can launch a whole fleet of these ships. You use AI to find a viral topic, AI to write a script that keeps people watching, and AI to generate the most beautiful visuals you've ever seen. You don't need to hire a voice actor, you use a premium AI voice that sounds even better than a human. Every video you upload is like adding another floor to your digital skyscraper. Each video is an asset that can earn money from ads for the next 10 years. Imagine having 10 channels, each with 100 videos. That's a massive digital empire that you built without ever stepping foot in an office. Finally, method number 4, the AI rental service. This is the most direct way to get paid. There are millions of small businesses in the US, lawyers, plumbers, roofers, who are losing thousands of dollars because they can't handle their customer service. You build a digital receptionist using AI. This bot lives on their website and handles everything. It's like you are renting out a smart AI employee to that business. You charge them a monthly rent of $300. To the business owner, this is a steal because a human employee would cost them $4,000. To you, it's pure profit. You are the landlord of the bot. The physical world is full. The digital world is empty and waiting for you. Don't wait for the housing market to crash. Don't wait for a promotion that might never come. Start building your digital land today. Pick one method, just one, and commit to it. In 6 months, you won't be looking at house prices with sadness. You'll be looking at them as your next investment. The 2026 wealth transfer is happening right now. Are you going to be a tenant or are you going to be a landlord? If you're ready to build, hit that subscribe button to DollarProof Daily. I'm here to give you the keys. Let's make it happen. I'll see you in the next one.